Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to discuss about the types of the functional testing which are comes under the system testing. When we receive a bill, first we need to perform the smoke testing and sanity testing. Let's discuss what is the smoke, what is the sanity, how we perform them, when we perform the smoke, when we perform the sanity. Let's discuss brief in this session. Smoke and sanity testing basically checks the critical parts of the function application is working fine or not. If the website critical part is not working or the product then does not pass the smoke and sanity testing, then further testing is not proceed and it will return back to the developer and developer need to fix those issues. Then again we need to test it. Like we received the e-commerce website and the login is not working into that website, so without login we can't proceed. First we need to check the login credential. If the login is not working, then we can mention that it's smoke fail and we reject that application, and then developer need to fix that issue and then we will proceed with the testing. Let's understand what is the difference between smoke and sanity. Smoke testing is done by the developer and tester. Dev team and tester team can perform the smoke testing, whereas the sanity testing is performed by only the tester team. And smoke testing verifies the entire system. Like we have in the smoke testing, we are performing end-to-end testing, end-to-end testing perform into the smoke testing, whereas in the sanity testing we will only verify the component testing. In this section we are performing the component testing. Sanity testing performed after reaching a software build with the minor changes in code or functionality. Like we receive any build and we are checking the application with the minor changes. Like in the application, the functionality of the payment gateway is updated. There's some credit card details will be user can enter. Then in that way, we'll checking the functionality into that. And the smoke testing is the subset of the acceptance testing. In this, we are performing the acceptance testing, and whereas the sanity testing is the subset of the regression testing. Let's understand the smoke and sanity testing with an example. We are checking with the health checkup example. Like if we are performing the smoke testing means general health checkup. Whereas sanity testing means specialized health checkup. I hope you are understand with the general health checkup and with the specialized health checkup in the sanity testing. But I'm explaining you more with the health checkup. Like if you go somewhere for your general health checkup, they will check your height, weight, blood pressure. Like you are testing with your height, weight, blood pressure. All the things are come under your general health checkup, whereas in the specialized health checkup you are testing with you're doing the checkup on your specialized organ. Like organ checkup, it can be your heartbeat, anything which can be like your kidney test. It can be in particular organ you are doing the testing. It is come under the sanity testing. As per the application part, Like we are performing the smoke testing, we are going to the deeper into the system, we are performing the testing deeply into that part. And in the sanity testing, we are doing the single component testing with very deeply. And if those testing, if like smoke and sanity is not passed, we will reject the bill, we will not proceed with the testing. These are come under the smoke and sanity testing. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel for watching latest video.